offering trail runners around the world the opportunity to go off-road in unique race destinations, the UTMB World Series aims to make trail running more inclusive and accessible. A game changer in a changing world, Dacia makes new essential cars that deliver only what is useful. Vehicles that are accessible, allowing all to reconnect with nature. In 2025, UTMB World Series and Dacia continue their journey, culminating at the finals during the Hoka UTMB Mont Blanc. Inspired by the beauty of mountains and witnessing outstanding accomplishments since 2003, this human and sporting adventure across France, Italy, and Switzerland annually challenges 10,000 runners from over 120 nations. Embracing the same values, UTMB and Dacia develop alternative solutions of mobility for all to make trail running more accessible and bring together running enthusiasts through a shared passion for the outdoors. Connecting people with nature and others. Believing in the power of ordinary people to achieve the extraordinary.